Look at that. Nice landing. I was gonna go for a touch and go, but I forgot. All right, everyone, good morning. Today we're out bright and early. It's not that really dark, but I didn't want to try this at nighttime for the first time. I wanted to make sure I have this made it out. So I got a couple lights on there. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, so it's bright and early, no wind at all. So we're actually going to try to get it in there and get it trimmed out for some real nighttime flying, but we can still see it a little bit like that. Wow. Some rudder trimming. Wow, this is nice. Oh, flip to low rates. I need some down trim. Just a slight. There you go. Actually trying to go a little higher, but the battery, I got a 1300 on there, so I can't really push it, but she's flying really good. I think with a 4S, she'll definitely have more power. But now, she's very good. I think I feel comfortable flying her at nighttime now. Let me kind of get in the middle so I can get some low passes. And I got her just about trimmed out. She is beautiful. Look at that. I don't want to fly her too low. I want to be careful of those gates. Look at that. Nice landing. I was gonna go for a touch and go, but I forgot this gate was here. So yeah, let's get it up in the air one more time, and let's try to get a touch and go coming from this way. But that's pretty good. Wow, that is smooth. She's ready for nighttime flying, man. Whoa! Wow. The approach is a little too short, but woo, got it. Woo, my goodness. Everyone, that is amazing. I think now, dialed in and everything, I think she's good for a beginner. With this motor setup and everything. Now, tonight, hopefully, there's not a lot of wind. So I get some nighttime flying. Now, I should put some rudder mix in there as well. For a little bit more better turns. But she is smooth, man. Look at that. Giving her some more up trim. A little bit more. There you go. It's just about there. There you go. Flip to high rates. She definitely doesn't have a lot of roll rates right now. But she's very smooth. So now let's bring her down in for a landing. Woo! This was a good flight. This was very good. I'm very comfortable with this plane now. And I think she's actually ready for the nighttime flying. Let's move out the way a little bit. Grass messed me up. But that was a very good one, everyone. That was a very good one. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this. You think she's ready for nighttime flying? Should I get a real nighttime video going? Like we were talking about in the comments in the last video, the first video with this plane, I definitely am gonna order some big old wheels for this, because as you can see, that did not make it over that little bit of grass. But wow, that is it for this little flight with this video. Oh, and as well, my battery for those inside lights is dying as well, so that's why I wasn't able to see it no more. But throttle cut on. All right, that was a good one. I hope somebody builds this with the same setup, so they could get the same flight characteristics. That'll be amazing. It's very docile, very smooth, very smooth. I love it. I absolutely love it. All right, everyone, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and hit that thumb bell notification, guys, so that way you can get notified when a new video is uploaded and you'll be the first one to see it. All right, everyone, stay creative.